Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start at the nape and work upward. This controls weight and blend. Create a straight zero. 1 cm horizontal part, clip the rest up, and check with a small mirror. Once positioned, align the center clip of the 7-piece strip to the middle of your part. This anchors the weft. Press each clip until you hear a click. That ensures the teeth grip the base hair. Make sure clips sit flat against the scalp, because a flat base prevents lifting and uneven tension as you move up. Continue by releasing the next section and creating a parallel part about 1 to 1.5 centimeters above the first. You place the next 7-piece strip so its center aligns with the head center, then snap the side clips in sequence. This balances weight. Overlap weft edges by about 1/2 inch to hide seams because small gaps reveal the base. Make sure you secure clips toward the roots and give each weft a gentle tug to confirm a firm hold before moving to the crown. Finish at the crown by placing the final weft and checking symmetry. You should have even rows with no visible gaps. Once done, gently style to blend. Soft curls or layering hides the weft line, because texture creates continuity between real hair and extensions. If a clip feels loose, press it again or re-anchor a small hair section into the clip. That fixes slippage. If you experience irritation or pulling, remove the offending strip, soothe the area. Then reposition the weft slightly off the pressure point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.